What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Solution Seekers Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of marketing and exploring two popular platforms, HubSpot and Mailchimp. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, choosing the right tool can make a significant impact on your business. So, let's compare and contrast HubSpot and Mailchimp to help you make an informed decision. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content like this. Now, let's get started. HubSpot and Mailchimp are both powerful marketing platforms, but they serve different purposes. HubSpot is an all-in-one inbound marketing and sales platform, while Mailchimp is a dedicated email marketing solution. Let's break down the pros and cons of each. Let's start with HubSpot. HubSpot offers a comprehensive suite for marketing, sales, and customer service, streamlining your business processes. Robust automation tools allow you to set up complex workflows, saving time and increasing efficiency. Detailed analytics and reporting features provide valuable insights into your campaigns, helping you make data-driven decisions. Suitable for businesses of all sizes, HubSpot can scale with your company's growth and evolving needs. HubSpot seamlessly integrates with various third-party apps, enhancing its functionality and adaptability. But on the other hand, HubSpot's pricing might be steep for smaller businesses, making it less budget-friendly. The platform's extensive features may have a learning curve, requiring time and effort to master. Setting up HubSpot can be more involved compared to simpler platforms, potentially delaying your marketing efforts. While there's a free version, some advanced features are restricted to higher-priced plans. Now let's talk about Mailchimp. Mailchimp is known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate. Budget-friendly pricing plans include a free option, make Mailchimp accessible to businesses of all sizes. A wide range of customizable templates and drag-and-drop editors simplify the email creation process. Particularly suitable for startups and small businesses, providing essential email marketing features. While not as advanced as HubSpot, Mailchimp's automation features are effective for basic workflow. But on the other hand, Mailchimp primarily focuses on email marketing, lacking the extensive suite of tools provided by HubSpot. Advanced automation needs may find Mailchimp's capabilities somewhat limited. While Mailchimp provides analytics, it might not offer the depth and detail that HubSpot provides. Mailchimp's integration capabilities may not be as extensive as those of HubSpot. Larger businesses with complex needs may find Mailchimp less scalable compared to HubSpot. So, there you have it, HubSpot and Mailchimp, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Consider your business requirements, budget, and preferences before making a choice. If you found this breakdown helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy marketing!